everybody. So the first stock that we're breaking down this morning is Ethereum, or ticker symbol ETH. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, and it helps us to find our targets and entries and a lot of other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in. So you can see that we're fluctuating between 0.50% and 1% for the morning. So nothing really crazy, you guys. However, you can see that after bouncing off of this lower support, we look left. You can see that we bounced from this area, this candlestick wick that came down and hit this area and ultimately moved higher. This one back here, and we look left even more. You can see we have all this prior resistance back here in this area. So what used to work as resistance, you guys, will work as support on the opposite side. So this is a heavily tested area. I am going to get rid of this line, so don't pay attention to that. So that way this can look more clear. So now you guys can see this is our major support line. You can see it once we pulled down to this area that we started recovering. Once we came underneath this, though, it was working as resistance, but once we broke above that, now we're starting this reversal. You guys can see that we're creating this higher high. We look left, we're kind of testing this minor resistance as well. We are above the trend line, so that is also a good sign as well, you guys. More than likely, we'll probably retest the $2,047 area and then continue this higher move. What this would do is just create this higher low. So what we want to see is this 50% retracement, and that's going to be around in this area. Any more than that, if we retest the $1888 area, that's more than that 50% then that we like to see. We don't want to see that 100% because it'll show relative weakness and basically show that buyers are no longer stepping up. Okay, but more than likely, you guys, will probably pull back just a little bit before moving or continuing this upward trend, you guys. And then we have to be careful once we get back up into the $2,443 level. We do have all this choppiness and resistance in this area as well. Overall, you guys, I don't see anything wrong with getting in as of right now with Ethereum. Since we are creating this reversal, we're creating this higher highs and higher lows. Well, we haven't created the higher low yet. But we are going to wait for that. So if you do get in, I would have a mental stop loss at least underneath the $1,600 level. So if we do break back below this support line, you can even have it a little bit tighter, maybe around the $1,842 area. And that way, if we do break back below that support level, we'll be able to get tagged out and wait for a better entry, okay? But other than that, you guys, I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently. And if I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, have a beautiful day and happy trading.